Good morning to dear students. As we have completed our sixth chapter, today we are starting seventh chapter: human environment, settlement, transport, and communication. So, as we discussed yesterday in a live class, that human environment, what is human environment, and there are such of settlements, as I told you, that permanent settlement, temporary settlement, compact settlement, okay, and other transport and communication. So basically, transport and communication are important part of every country. So in chapter first, you have learned that early human being dependent entirely on nature for food, clothing, and shelter. So this is settlements where the people build their homes. Okay, and early human beings lived on trees and in caves. So as you know about in ancient time, that there is human being lived on the trees and caves. Okay, and after when the human being were developed, then they live together and they make they made a permanent settlement. Okay, sometimes they are going to in a hunting and gathering. So basically they had go in one place to second place or another places. So that is temporary settlement there. So the settlements grew near the river valleys, as you know that as I told you in our life class that there is a settlement that in a okay, there is every settlement or every civilization yet you have seen ki it has been grown in a coast of river. Basically, the water and the fertile land is important for cultivation of crops and for water. So this is settlements can be this is of two kind that permanent settlement and temporary settlement. Okay, this is permanent, this is temporary. So this is key settlements which are occupied for a short time that we call temporary settlement. It is occupied only for a short time of period that we call temporary settlement, and the people living in deep forests and hot and cold deserts and mountains often dwell in such temporary settlement. So they practice hunting, gathering, shifting, cultivation, and transhumance. However, more and more settlements today are permanent settlements. So in these settlements, people build homes to live in. So basically, this is permanent and temporary settlement. Okay. After we will see ki it was Mary birthday party. She and her friends were waiting for group to arrive so that Mary could cut the cake. At last, Gurpreet arrived, tried coughing and sneezing. There is wheezing likha hai, but this is sneezing, I think. So, coughing and sneezing. So she explained that the traffic jam was back and side. So basically, this is the story that the group it had tell to her to his friend that there is a the transport. So basically traffic jam has been coming from the transport. So if you see in the Pithoragarh area that there are many traffic jams in some such a particular place. Okay, like if you go to the Siptan that up to that the way is one way, but before time you will see ki there are many traffic jams you will see and such a particular places. So this is number of vehicles which are going to for one place to another place, and it is important because it is gives a support to a secondary and primary activity. So basically we have discussed the primary and secondary activity and tertiary activity in the life class that okay I will tell you keys primary activity. This is the cultivation of crops. So basically it is produce a raw material in like agriculture and fishing. So this is coming from primary activity and secondary activity that the the raw material has to be made pure material. Like many industries has coming to now secondary activity and tertiary activity that which gives support the primary and secondary activity. So basically you will see that key transport, banking sector. So that we call service sector as well. So from the above conversation, we can identify two different picture of settlements: the rural and urban settlement. So basically, the rural and urban, it is, the village are rural settlement where people are engaged in activity like agriculture, fishing, forestry, craft work, and trading, etc. So this is called rural agreement. So this is coming to a compact or scattered. Okay, settlement can be compact or scattered. So basically, compact settlement is a closely built area of dwellings wherever flat land is available. So a scattered settlement dwelling are spaced over an extensive area. So this is called compact and scatter settlement. So basically this is settlement of types कि temporary हो गया, permanent, rural, and कि urban it is कि that you will see in a cities area that we call urban settlement or scatter settlement and compact settlement. So these type of settlements we have. You please read this chapter thoroughly. Okay, so I will send the video in a Google Classroom, and if you have any query or any question, you can ask me in my personal number. Okay, so goodbye, have a good day.